active until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Mecosta, New Eagle, and Oceana. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now here is your local forecast. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for New Eagle County in west central Michigan until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hesperia to 6 miles west of Grant, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Impact.
Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Eagle, White Cloud, Fremont, Hesperia, Grant, Croton, Bridgeton, Broman, Woodland Park, Raymond, Hawkins, Woodville, Viley, Croton Heights, Worcester. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now here is your local forecast.
And it begins.
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mecosta County in central Michigan, western Montcalm County in central Michigan, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Reed City to 9 miles southwest of Howard City, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Big Rapids, Greenville, Stanton, Howard City, Lakeview, Morley, Mecosta, Canadian Lakes, Sydney, Remus, Millbrook, Sheridan, Paris, Barrington, Stanwood, Pearson, Sylvester, Westville, Gowan, Intrigan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now here is your local forecast. Tonight, rain showers.
Tornado warning!
Until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Morley, or 10 miles south of Big Rapids, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Canadian Lakes around 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Now here is your local forecast. Thunderstorm warning for Osceola County in central Michigan until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from 8 miles southwest of Lucas to 6 miles southwest of Everett, moving northeast severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Gladwin County in northern Michigan, southern Roscommon County in northern Michigan, southeastern Missaukee County in northern Michigan, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of Vogel Center to Harrison to near Clare, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Mottersville around 8:10 p.m. Roscommon Township and Skeels around 8:15 p.m. Gladwin around 8:20 p.m. Houghton Lake, Prudenville, and Nestor Township around 8:25 p.m. Hockaday, Twin Lakes area, and Roscommon County Airport around 8:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Merritt. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Gladwin, Missaukee, and Roscommon. Marine warning for Lake Michigan south of a line from Saskatchewan Point to the Mackinac Bridge, north of a line from Charlevoix, Michigan to South Fox Island 5 nautical miles offshore. Lake Michigan from Charlevoix to Point Betsy, Michigan 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid Lake. Lake Michigan from Point Betsy to Manistee, Michigan 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid Lake. Manistee to Point Betsy, Michigan. Norwood, Michigan to 5 nautical miles west of Mackinac Bridge, including Little Traverse Bay. Point Betsy to Sleeping Bear Point, Michigan. Says Shore Point to 5 nautical miles west of Mackinac Bridge. Sleeping Bear Point to Grand Traverse Light until 1:30 a.m. At 11:36 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Detroit Island to 18 nautical miles southeast of Whitefish Point to 17 nautical miles southeast of Raleigh Point Light, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Wagosham's Point, South Fox Island, Goodhart, Northport, Empire, Glen Arbor, Point Betsy, Epufet, Portage Lake, North Manitou Island, Sturgeon Bay, Norwood, Nobbin Way, Harbor Springs, Cross Village, Point Oches, Williamsport, Brevard, South Manitou Island, and Cathead Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Until 1:30 a.m. At 12:23 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles northeast at Point Detour to North Manitou Island to near Manistee Light, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Old Mission Lighthouse, Sutton Bay, Elk Rapids, Traverse City, and Northport. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Michigan from Point Betsy to Manistee, Michigan 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid Lake. Manistee to Point Betsy, Michigan. Point Betsy to Sleeping Bear Point, Michigan until 3 a.m. At 2:18 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles west of Point Betsy to near Big Sable Point Light, moving northeast at 75 knots. Additional thunderstorms behind this line may also be producing large hail. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Portage Lake, Williamsport, Arcadia, Frankfort, Point Betsy, and Pierport. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.